In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture inside a shape in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, polished image neatly framed inside the shape of your choice, perfect for social posts, presentations, or quick graphics. First, head over to the Elements tab and open the Shapes section. You'll see a variety of options like circles, squares, hearts, and more. Think about your photo and the mood you want to convey as you choose. For example, a circle tends to feel modern and friendly, while a square is classic and balanced. Hearts are great for playful or personal projects. The shape you pick will act like a window, showing only the part of your photo that sits inside it. Once the shape is on your canvas, resize and position it before bringing in your image. Click and drag the corners to adjust the size and move it to where you want your focal point to be. It's easier to dial this in now, so your photo fits naturally later. Keep an eye on spacing. Leaving a little breathing room around the edges helps the final design feel intentional. If you're placing the shape in a layout with text or other elements, consider how it balances the page so nothing feels crowded. Next, go to the Photos tab and choose Upload to bring in your image. Pick a high-quality photo so it stays sharp when sized. If your subject is off to one side, that can work nicely with shapes because it gives you flexibility to frame it just right. After the image uploads, you'll see it in your library, ready to use. Now for the key move, drag the image directly onto the shape. When you hover over the shape and release, Adobe Express automatically places the photo inside it. This creates a clean, clipped effect without any complicated masking. Take a moment to resize and position carefully so your subject sits comfortably within the edges. Use the handles to scale the image so it fills the shape without stretching, and slide it around until the important details are centered or aligned the way you like. Watch for any awkward cropping at the edges and adjust until everything looks balanced. That's it. You selected a shape, positioned it, uploaded your photo, and dropped it into place, then refined the composition with careful resizing and alignment. With a few minutes of attention to balance and spacing, your picture-in-shape graphic will look polished and ready to share.